See, it looked like this before today. And I just scribbled on it and we made it more that. Added a bit more saturation. Pika time! Do, 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 do. Okay. What is this song? Song is so random. Okay. This background's gonna be like 1,000 layers until I get it looking right. Do, 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 do. Let's brush. This is tricky because I don't know what I'm doing. Do, 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 do. Ba, 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 ba. I got new tips for pencils. That's supposed to help get finer lines. Wait, on an iPad? I didn't think that was possible. You guys scammed. I mean, if you're in Procreate, you cannot get as fine as your pixel brush. The tip's not gonna do anything. You use Procreate, right? Yeah, I don't think there is any kind of brush tips that could make your brushes finer. Like it's all to do with like the size of your brush. Like they're not gonna make your brush size any smaller. In the settings, you can control how much pressure you want. Like drawing with a ballpoint pen. I like the tips. I think you got scammed, Bear. I think it's gonna be that different. It might feel different, but like I said, the program can make things finer or not finer. Like, I can make my brush this big, right? Look at it. Look at it. I'm using an Apple Pencil. I'm using a tiny tip, but like, look at it. It's a giant brush. Tip is like metal. Be careful with that. You don't want to scratch the screen, Bear. That could scratch your screen. I think I know the ones you're talking about. I've seen them. I mean, if you're enjoying them, just be careful. How do I draw this? How do I draw this? I'm never buying color tips again after the black one explosion. Dude, just buy the official ones. Those are the only ones you will ever need. Because the rest are all scams. Do I want clouds, maybe? Maybe that's what I want. This layer. Nothing. Do do do.